welcome back to my channel Itka Botla. Today morning my mom has received a message on her WhatsApp. She felt it is useful and showed it to me. I felt it is useful for everyone and would like to share it with you all. Let's get started. Medicine is not always found in bottles, tablets or vaccines. Let us understand 22's world best medicines. Detoxification is a medicine. Quitting junk food is a medicine. Exercise is a medicine. Fasting is a medicine. Nature is a medicine. Laughter is a medicine. Fruits and vegetables are medicines. Sleep is a medicine. Sunlight is a medicine. Gratitude and love are medicines. Friends are medicines. Medication is a medicine. Being fearless is a medicine. Positive attitude is a medicine. Unconditional love towards all living beings is a medicine. Listening is a medicine. Speaking up and sharing are medicines. Accepting is a medicine. Staying in present moment is the medicine. Very important is to adopt above medicines to lead a blissful life.